Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hexagon in Fall Guys. This intense final round challenges you to be the last bean standing on a multi-layered arena of hexagonal tiles. Each tile vanishes a few seconds after you step on it, so quick thinking and strategic movement are key to survival. Your main objective is to stay on the highest possible level for as long as you can. Effective movement is crucial for success. Instead of constantly running, try walking over tiles to make them disappear more slowly, giving you extra time. When moving between sections, use precise jumps to bridge gaps and reach new areas. Always keep an eye out for small, isolated groups of tiles. These can become vital safe havens as the game progresses. To truly master Hexagon, consider some advanced tactics. One effective strategy is to cut off opponents by clearing the tiles directly in their path, forcing them to fall. Pay close attention to where other players are moving. This can help you predict their actions and find safer routes. Remember to use your dive mechanic, which can extend a jump by about 1/3 of a tile or help you recover from a misstep. As the game progresses and the levels dwindle, maintaining your composure is vital. Don't panic when the play area shrinks. Instead, adapt your strategy to the increasingly confined space. Focus on outmaneuvering your rivals and making every step count. By combining smart movement, strategic planning, and a cool head, you will be the last bean standing and secure that glorious crown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.